Hey guys, it's me Monica and welcome back to Monica's Inside Blogspot. So today's video is gonna be all about baking a cake at home. So tomorrow is my sister's birthday and as you all know, Corona's ratio is getting higher and higher in India. So I thought why not to bake it at home and show it to you all as well. So if you don't have time to bake it at home, you can always prefer a better option, that is online ordering from a home baker. I think that is way more hygienic. I'm sure that you'll definitely enjoy watching this video and get something new to learn from it. Let's not waste any more time and let's start the recipe. Guys, wait, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Let's start the recipe, guys. I have taken all the ingredients. I'll show you. So here I have taken 1 cup of maida, a cocoa powder, 1 packet of gems, Hershey's syrup, 1 Nescafe, 1 packet of Boost, 6 packets of Happy biscuit, 3 packets of Oreos and 1 Kit Kat to garnish. So guys, we'll start with crushing our biscuits. So I'll show you how to do it. So let's start. So here I'll be using only 3 packets of Happy and you can see the quantity is really good. You'll get 8 biscuits in each packet and I've used all 3 packets of Oreos, and if you want you can separate the cream and use it for garnishing, but I didn't do that because I already had some gems and Kit Kat. So yes, as you all can see, I have made very small pieces of my biscuit. Now I'm going to grind this to make a fine powder. Always use a small portion so that it grinds really well. Taking the second half portion to grind. So guys, it should look like this and there should be no lumps left. Adding some milk to make it look like a batter. Mixing it well. And now adding half cup of maida. You can use more or less as per your needs. Mixing everything properly. Now adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can also use powdered sugar. And guys, if you don't want to use your hand while mixing, you can also use a beater. But as you all know, nothing can replace our own hands. But you should be more careful with hygiene. Your nails should be short and clean with no nail paints. And you should wash your hand thoroughly before mixing. Now taking the cocoa powder, adding 2 teaspoons of it. You can add more or less as per your needs. And mixing everything again. Adding some milk for the perfect consistency. You should not use water while making the batter. Always try to use some milk. Mix everything properly until you're satisfied with the consistency. I added 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil, adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mixing everything again. So guys, here I have taken my cake pan and greasing it nicely with some oil. So whenever you're doing this step, make sure to grease more oil so that our cake won't stick and come out more easily. So guys, here I'll be making a butter paper at home. So I have taken a simple blank paper and then taking a measurement of my pan and cutting it accordingly. So if you don't have butter paper or unable to find it in any grocery shop, you can use this trick. As you all can see, it fits properly into the pan. And then I'll be greasing some oil from top of it so that it fully becomes like a butter paper. Yay, it's ready. And at last putting my batter in the pan. So guys, for the baking process I'll be using my pressure cooker. I have already added some water into it. Now adding my 2 stands. You can simply use any plate and make it a stand. And before putting the batter, make sure to tap it properly so that all the bubbles will remove and it will settle down easily. Now I'll be placing one plate from up so that the water doesn't enter into our cake. So guys, make sure to remove the whistle and rubber from this. It's ready. Turning my flame on. Placing the cooker to a medium flame. And we will wait for 30 to 45 minutes and meanwhile we'll prepare a ganache. So guys, to prepare ganache I'll be using my leftover biscuits, as you all can see. Adding some cocoa powder, 1 spoon. 1 packet of coffee, Nescafe. So here I have also added the boost powder. And we'll have to grind our sugar into fine powder. Adding the powdered sugar into the mixture and mixing it properly. So guys, now I'm going to boil the water. You can also use a boiling milk. The reason behind using a boiling liquid is that it helps bloom the cocoa powder, creating a deeper, more rich chocolate flavor, and it also might help to extract some flavor out of our coffee powder. And make sure to use only 2 to 3 drops of it. Adding some slice of butter into the mixture. This will help our ganache to look more shinier. And now pouring the ganache into the box, and if you want the consistency to be more thick, you should always add lesser water. Our ganache has been set now. I'll be covering it with one aluminium foil. This foil will help us to provide a complete barrier from light, oxygen, moisture and bacteria. This will also help our ganache to become more thick in consistency. Putting it in a freezer for 6 hours. And our cake is ready. Before taking it out, you should always check it with a stick like this. Turning the cake over a plate, and you should tap it gently like this, so that our cake will become little loose and come out more easily. As you all can see guys, it has come out very easily. Yay! Now I'm going to remove my homemade butter paper. So guys, I'm going to put this cake in my refrigerator for at least 6 hours, and then I'll show it to you all. So guys, as you all can see, I have already taken my ganache out. So let's decorate the cake now. I have spread my ganache all over this cake, and now let's garnish it from top. So for garnishing, I'll be using the Hershey's syrup and then some gems to make it more colorful, and then Kit Kat, break to banta hai boss. So as you all can see, I have garnished my cake very well. Now let me think what else I can do. Oh wait, I also have some leftover biscuit. Let me use that also. Guys, I have Happy. If you have Oreo, that will be more better. But this one was leftover, so I'm using this. Ta-da! गाइस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। लाइक और सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है यार, इतनी मेहनत की, प्लीज़ कर देना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।